Welcome to CAC Library's instructional video, Library Services for Faculty. In the next few minutes, I will describe what the library can do to help you with your work and how faculty and library staff can work together collaboratively to most effectively help students. Our services can be divided into three categories: library instruction, student resources, and resources for faculty. I'll start with instruction and with the questions you might ask yourself. Why do we even need library instruction? Don't students already know how to use the library? Why should we give up scarce classroom time for the library? Don't the students just Google everything anyway? Data smog is a phrase coined by David Shank in 1997 and refers to an overwhelming amount of data and information, often obtained through an internet search, whose volume serves more to confuse the user than illuminate a topic. Data smog is a state of mind that almost all of us have dealt with at one time or another. Information literacy is the set of skills that helps to clear the data smog. Library instruction helps students acquire those skills. Information literacy, then, is the set of skills that are fundamental in creating lives of learning, job success, and participatory citizenship. These skills are grouped into four categories: research, critical thinking, analysis, and context. You teach these skills in your classes, of course, but the library can be an invaluable partner to you in teaching information literacy. Along with providing relevant resources, this is one of the library's key purposes. Are your students information literate now? Can they discern good information from bad, or do they believe most of what they read? Do they watch for biases and outdated information, or do they just accept whatever they find? Can they formulate an effective search beyond Google-like keyword searches? Teaching information literacy is one of CAC Library's primary missions, and we teach it informally and formally. We conduct classes in your classroom or in the library, and we can custom design those classes to address a specific assignment or purpose. We provide library orientations, introducing students to library services. Orientations can take place either in your classrooms or in the library. We give standalone workshops on a variety of topics such as searching, detecting biases, and study skills. We also provide one-on-one informal instruction in the library to students as they need it. And we are creating a growing list of instructional videos that you can integrate into your classroom assignments or curriculum. To be most effective, faculty and librarians must work together. Tell us about your students' information literacy needs and what you need for your classes. Together, we can most effectively teach these critical skills. In addition to teaching library skills, the library is created to make available digital and physical resources to support your classes and students, and we have substantial collections. The library makes accessible online databases, providing millions of reliable, useful resources for you and your students. Databases are selected with specific programs, classes, and needs and levels in mind. For example, Academic OneFile and EBSCO OmniFile are large general databases with thousands of articles from popular to scholarly publications, as well as image and video files. In addition to providing useful information sources, these databases can teach students how to build effective searches and to use advanced search strategies, as well as the difference between popular and academic resources. We also create topic guides and bibliographies available on our library website. These guides list online and print resources and can quickly send a student in the right direction to find reliable sources that she might not otherwise know about. Librarians can create topic guides and bibliographies that are specific to your class or subject at your request. Resource lists can include books, articles, ebooks, websites, and other sources. Mentioned earlier, we create instructional videos specifically for CAC students. Students can access these anytime through Blackboard, on their own, or by assignment. Are your students having trouble with MLA or APA citations? These videos can help them understand the basics of the confusing rules. Are they new to using online catalog or any of the other databases? There's a video for that. In addition, our online catalog allows users to reserve items, request them from other libraries, create lists that they can save, and renew their materials anytime. Our online catalog also gives you and your students access to all of Pinal County Public Library holdings and have them delivered to your campus library branch. Faculty resources are services specifically created to help you in your teaching and research. Remember interlibrary loan? We still do that. To support your own research or personal needs, not only can you get items from the Pinal County Public Library delivered to your campus library, but you can also get books from almost any library in the world through interlibrary loan. If there's something you need, come into the library and we can get you going. We also provide reserves. Help out your students by putting a copy of your class's textbook or other supporting items on reserve. Students can then access them for a few hours at a time at the library. Librarians can also provide Blackboard class support. That is, one of the librarians is embedded and becomes your class librarian and is available through Blackboard to answer your students' questions from the Blackboard classroom. We also have chat and email support to help you with a question. Chat anytime during library open hours or send an email inquiry. A strong library is a collaborative effort. To make the library as strong as it possibly can be, we must work together to create the most effective classes, to meet students' needs, and to get the best resources. Let us be your partner in this educational mission. We also need your recommendations for books, DVDs, classes, bibliographies, and more. Let us know what you think and what you need from the CAC Library. We're definitely looking forward to hearing from you, so come and visit us anytime.